Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Punta Arenas, and I'm at the cemetery. You have to buy to get a ticket, and then you can go on inside. It's in the top 5 things to see. Let's go take a look. And so this is the outside of it, and it looks like it goes way, way, way down that way, and it looks like it goes this way as well. And you can see there's a few tour buses here too, and everything else. And this is the front of it, so it's pretty easy to find and such. But let me go inside and get a ticket, and then I will get this thing started. Bye everybody. Okay everybody, these are the things that are in here. Sir Baldwin Spencer, Dotel, Indo, and then this, and then this, and then him. And hit pause if you need to read all of these things. But then here's where they're at, and this just shows you a map of the whole area. So I think I'm going to go do 1, 2, and then I'll go over and do 3, 4, 5, 6, and then maybe go all the way down and do 7. But it's kind of a I don't know. I guess we'll see how this goes and take it from there. But and this is what it looks like. And 1 and 2 is like straight ahead, if I understand things right. And let me just show you what it looks like inside here. It's pretty amazing. Huh. And it is a mausoleum type cemetery. So there's lots of above ground mausoleum type things, but there's also regular, headstone type things too. But I think this is the main area, or at least the 1 and 2 area. Wow. And they have tour guides if you want to do a tour guide. And I'm sure you have to pay for it too, but well, let's just go off this way and see what we get. Again, I'm just here to give you a taste of what's here and maybe what to see and what to expect if you do come here. And let me just tell you, it's pretty big. $1888. Família Paris Dragon. Did I ever mention I just want to be buried at sea? John Dick, 1894. And I'm telling you, it goes on and down there, and they've got little things over there too, and it certainly is a large place. Huh. And I think this is 8 and 9 here, or I don't know for sure, but huh. There's a unique kind of pyramid over here as well. It's kind of interesting. The purple and black and all full of doodad knickknacks. just goes on and on and on. Do you think we spend a lot of energy on people that have passed? I mean, I know in some religions that, Catholics and such, we have these mausoleums and crypts and things that are around for not 1 year or 5 years or 100 years or maybe more like 1,000 years. And then others that we just offer them back to God and we're done. I don't know. Here's a little path I'll cut through. I hope this is a little path. All right, everybody. Well, I think I am going to turn this corner and we'll see if we see anything unique and exciting. That's really pretty. And it just keeps going. So and the grounds are amazing. All right, everybody. I think I'm going to end the video there. Thanks so much for coming with me. I'll get to another video. Bye, everybody.